The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. Another company submitted an application for an XRP ETF yesterday night. There are now, at least in my estimation, 5 firms that have applied for an XRP ETF. This is also dropping simultaneously. This is the kind of press we're receiving. This one is from Crypto Fundamentals. Trump is thinking about establishing a crypto reserve in the US that would be XRP favored. Let me explain why this is very intriguing and actually not unreasonable to suppose, considering what Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse said in a recent interview, maybe a week or 2 ago. Crypto traders make millions as Trump's Solana joke coin causes a frenzy, according to this headline from Cointelegraph. Thus, I will discuss this within the framework of current events in crypto law, focusing on XRP. Just in case you didn't hear, Trump formally launched a meme coin named Trump last night. That's Trump currency. Trump himself is the ticker symbol for it, and you won't believe this bad boy's performance until you see it. Incredibly, it is utterly preposterous. I should preface this by saying that I am completely unprepared financially. Please do not base your investment decisions on my recommendations. I am not a financial advisor. Making movies on YouTube regarding cryptocurrency is something I like doing for fun and as a pastime. I'm just an enthusiast. Okay, so I'll start by saying that I covered this story when it was news a few days ago. Now a prominent Bloomberg ETF analyst backs JP Morgan's $4 billion to $8 billion XRP ETF projection. Several days ago, we learned that JP Morgan had officially predicted that an XRP ETF would quickly end up with $4 to $8 billion invested in it. Their reasoning is based on the amount of capital invested in Bitcoin ETFs, which debuted in January of last year, and Ethereum ETFs, which have been operational for, about 6 months now, as well as how well those ETFs have done. And that's a lot. So I'm not sure it will help us much in this market cycle. However, if you're concerned about XRP's long-term viability, those XRP-related ETFs that get approved over the years and decades will have a huge impact on supply and demand dynamics. After all, when someone buys an XRP ETF, they aren't actually holding any XRP. Well, that's actually the main idea. You may avoid dealing with custody and setting up a Coinbase account, or wherever you finish up buying it by purchasing an ETF that tracks the price of XRP. This way, you won't even have to think about it. This has a direct and substantial effect on the price of XRP, because the ETF provider also buys XRP from them. Because of this, you find it attractive. The fact that Jamie Dimon, CEO of JP Morgan, has stated that cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, are useless makes this statement all the more surprising. The tired narrative that they are only utilized for illegal purposes is entirely false, yet it appears that other employees at his organization hold a far more hopeful view. I therefore wouldn't be surprised if such a large sum of money were to eventually flow in, and we would see an influx of XRP ETFs. If you were wondering, for example, if it's okay, he's been saying he's pro-crypto, by the end of this video, it will be even more clear. This year is quite likely, because Trump is about to be in office. Is he seriously going to support cryptocurrency? He will, in fact, support cryptocurrency. Litigation like this is ending. What I mean is that he introduced a meme coin. There's no way. We will have numerous XRP ETFs this year. I think that's a safe statement to make. You could theoretically have a run if the dependent is still riding high at launch and the bull market is still going strong. For example, XRP started running when the news broke that Gary Gensler was going to step down, even though we knew it was happening anyway. This is just to give you an idea. You could have something similar, but I believe XRP will continue to run regardless. Therefore, it won't matter much for this bull run, but it will likely happen this year. Seeing that is pretty awesome, especially when we consider what we've been facing for the past few years. You are well versed on the regulatory BS around XRP. Here is where the news first surfaced, but hey, you love to see something like that. It originated with Nate Karachi. Last night, he posted this and drafted the ProShares files for leveraged into inverse XRP ETFs. He is the president of the ETF store. I was right when I said 2025 would be crazy. It's happening. Personally, I looked it up on the SEC website. We are here. I'm not familiar with all of the details, but it's obvious that the short XRP ETF is just that, the short XRP ETF. There are 3 such ETFs. Those who wish to wager against XRP should do so if they so desire. If someone wants to bet and is an idiot, then they can. Now, just because I'm being silly doesn't make them stupid. In fact, it's quite natural. This in no way indicates that ProShares is anti-XRP. Some investors may choose to take a short position on XRP. Furthermore, as a business owner, why not set up an ETF so that your consumers may simply do that? It's only fair. Plus, it would be fantastic if things don't work out for them. After all, it's not in Ebola. On the other hand, it's likely that some reasonably intelligent people will vote against XRP if the bubble bursts, even if they don't personally oppose the cryptocurrency. According to them, that's okay, but we also have a short XRP ETF available. Both a long-term and a short-term XRP exchange-traded fund are available. If the short one is aggressive, then the ultra-short one must be as well. You have no idea. That is what it is, and I have no idea what it means. Hence, the Extreme XRP ETF is likely to be the default. So there you have it, regardless of the outcome, going ahead. Once again, I'm almost certain that business is the 6th one to apply for an XRP exchange-traded fund. Together with Gensler, as he leaves the building. His last day on the job was actually yesterday, even though his official last day is the 20th. I don't think he'll be available to work Monday for that few hours, as it was yesterday, on Friday. He formally steps down at that point. Because he is a bit of a jerk, he insisted on maintaining his position until the very end. And additionally, there is this. This comes from James Seaford as well. So, he's a reporter for Bloomberg covering all things relating to exchange-traded funds. Thank goodness that transpired, because it is not surprised that a pro-crypto administration is taking office today. Lots of pro-crypto events are taking place. Here you may see it. Last night was the same. He said that in the past 30 minutes, there has been a deluge of crypto-related ETF submissions. Right from the bat, Oasis Capital's digital asset debt strategy ETF is Title Finance's first offering. He covered the XRP topic as well, and I plan to read it all. In any case, I'm simply stating that you will adore seeing it. Meanwhile, Eric Borkunas, he works for Bloomberg as an ETF analyst. The ETF sector unleashed a crypto filing frenzy, with 6 so far, and Gensler wasn't even out of the building for 5 minutes, according to his republished statement. Therefore, consider this. His final full day had already passed. He is finished. He will likely skip work on Monday or something like that. After all, why bother? Since he is unable to stop it, these companies wasted no time in applying for exchange-traded funds, ETFs, with several of them involving XRP. Your time spent viewing my video is greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.